Hello children, can we start the class? Everyone is ready with your books and abacus? Before we start the class, I wanted to remind you all, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button, give likes and comments also. Shall we start? This is abacus. You can see there are many beads and many rods have given, and this is called divider line. You can see now no beads are touching the divider line. You can see there are 4 beads below the divider line and 1 bead above the divider line. When no beads are touching the divider line, then the value becomes 0. You can see there are white dots on the divider line. What does it mean? The white dots, we count it as a ones place. If you start from here, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100, 1000, 10,000, it goes on like this. If you start from this dot, then this is counted as ones place and then tens, 100 like this. If you start from here, this becomes the ones place, then tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 goes on like this. Now, if no bits are touching the divider line, that means value is 0. If you move 1 bit up, now 1 bit is touching the divider line, then the value becomes 1. If you move 1 more bit, now 2 bits are touching the divider line, then the value is 2. If you move 1 more bit, then the value is 3. If you move 1 more bit, the value is 4. Now I'll move 4 bits down. Now you can see 1 bit is above the divider line. If you move this bit, what is the value? Here the single bit does not mean the value is 1. Here the value of single bit is 5. So what is the value of 1 bit here? The bit above the divider line, the value is 5. So now if you want to make the value 6, how you will do? You have to move 1 bit from the up and 1 bit from the down. So the value becomes 6. 5, 6. Now if you move 1 more bit, then the value is 7. How it is 7? 5, 6, 7. If you move 1 more bit up, now the value becomes 5, 6, 7, 8. If you move 1 more bit, now the value is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I will move the bits down. If you move 1 bit down, then the value becomes 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 more bit down, the value becomes 7. 1 more bit down, the value becomes 6. And 1 more bit down, the value becomes 5. If I move this 5, no bits are touching the rod, the value is 0. This is the abacus you all have. I will teach you how the beads to move. We use thumb finger and the index finger. If you want to move the beads up, we use thumb finger. If you want to move the beads down, we use index finger. If you want to move the beads down, we use index finger, and if you want to move the beads up, we use thumb. If we want to add 6, then we use both index and thumb. 6 less 6, add 9, less 7. If all the beads are touching the rod, if you want to move the beads and clear the beads, so you will not do like this. So how you will do? You keep your index finger and thumb here and move it like this. At a time, all the beads will be cleared. Now everyone write down these sums in your book. So we will learn how to do these sums on abacus. Can we start now? Add 1, add 1, add 1. So the answer is 3. The next sum, add 2, add 1, again add 1. So answer is 4. The next sum, add 1, add 2, add 1. So answer is 4. The next sum, add 1, add 2, less 1. When we want to do less, we have to move the digits down. When we want to add the sum, we have to move the digits up. Now the answer is 2. Next sum, add 1, add 3. For when you are adding 3, you should not move single bead. You have to move the beads together. Add 3. Then less 3. Less 3 also together you have to move the 3 beads down. So answer is 1. Next sum, add 3, less 3, add 1. So answer is 1. Next sum, add 4, less 4, add 2. So answer is 2. The next sum, add 2, add 1, less 3. Answer is 0. The next sum, add 1, add 3, less 4. So answer is 0. Now you all have understood how to do the sums. For the extra practice, I have given you the link for the Google page. From there, you can practice the sums. Thank you.